Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to convert any image file into PDF file without using any third-party software in Windows PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just select the respective image file which you want to convert into PDF. Say I want to convert this image file into PDF. Just right mouse click on it. Now you can see your print option. Just click on it. Now under the printer option, just click on it. Now select this option, Microsoft Print to PDF. Now click on this print. Now select the output folder where you want to save. So I will save it in the desktop. You can save any other folder also and give the file name. Now click on save. So finally we are done. Now you can see the converted image file into PDF as you can see here. So let us open it. So you can see finally we have converted the image file into a PDF file. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily convert any image file into PDF file without using any third-party software in Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.